Okay, so we got a little snow. Oh. Little snow. It's 30 degrees. This is our basic layout. There's going to be the view. It's kind of nice. Tiny home. Whoa. So we have to level it from here to here. Here to here. Over in this side here, that's going to be up maybe 1.5 to 2 feet. The center will come up and then go down into the ground there. This hill's all slanted like this. So we got 8 points. This will be the front of the dome. You're going to look out this way. This will be your view in the morning. Your view of the sky. This is our tiny home we just got in place. We had to cut all these trees down. That was a fun job yesterday. Drug them back there. Down there's our lower pond. We need to move that dumpster. It's in the way at some point. But yeah, our tiny home right here. Front doors over here, they look that way. And then we have a bunch of wood line to clean up. But yeah, it's pretty good. The barn venue's up there. The old pig pen. Airbnb's over there. This is the old wood shop. It's gonna come down this summer. It's coming along. You can kind of see my tractor up there. I need to work on my starter to get that thing started, but that's it. That's what we're working on now. Okay, little update on the dome project we got right here. Yesterday it was snowing, and today, beautiful sunshine. It's already 55 degrees, I don't know. It's supposed to be 60s today. Almost t-shirt weather. Here's what we got. So we got four of the cross beams up. We're putting the 4 45-degree pie pieces in. Here's our tiny home we set in place the other day. We're gonna finish setting that up as well. And then this dome, we're just leveling the posts, get everything plumb, and then we'll start to put the cross sections in here. It's pretty easy build. we're planning to put a shared septic in right here. So we have the dome here, tiny home here. This building, as we said before, is going away this summer. So that'll all be gone. Planning on putting a septic in here. We're gonna do like a honey pot. Yeah. There you can see we're pretty level. Backside's about 2.5 feet off the ground.